Okay, if you need to insert an article, a new article, you're going to hover over here to Knowledge Base. You're going to click here, it says Add New Article. That's going to load the editor for you. In this space, you're going to type in your title, the title. You're going to come down here. You can either hit Tab or you can actually use your mouse to come down here. This is where you will input article text. Now, anything in here, you have the ability to use any of the bold, italics, insert a link, block quote. There's all these different formatting functions that you can do. You can also click here to add media. This is where you can go to your media library. You can grab a file, say just on this one, a logo, and it will put in on this back end what will be the actual code text that it needs, because we're in the text editor. But if you look at it on the visual editor side, you'll actually see the logo has actually been put in there. So then what you want to do is you're going to come over here, you're going to select whichever categories your article is going to be in. Depending on how you set yours up, you may have multiple categories that something falls in. Others will choose to have it only be a hierarchical system where only one category this will be in. So let's say we come down here and this is going to be under forms. So we click that. Down here we want to come in and we want to put article tags in. You can also click here to choose from most used. This will actually bring up the most used tags on all the articles that you've put in. So once you get enough articles in, you'll have these start to show up. And you can say, okay, well, this is for check, and we're going to add Facebook ads and pardons. So these would be that. Otherwise, you can come in here and you could just put, say, it's tickets, and you put a space, then you can put in, say, functions. You can click those to add. It will add with a comma between them any of the ones that you add. And you can come up here on the page and click publish. That will publish a new article to your knowledge base. You can also click here and it will actually load it so you can see it. So this is actually what we did, just as a quick title. This is the text we put in. Here's the image that we loaded in. It says updated on September 4th. That was me today. And then it has all the tags that we had attached to it. These tags are very important because that's actually part of what the search uses to actually find the articles. So that is very important. Make sure that you do that as you're adding the articles. It makes it much easier functional-wise to actually find things in the knowledge base.